this. So Solana is fast. We love Solana. It's fast. I've done some fun stuff over there. That's been incredible. Cosmos is modular, and Arbitrum is very efficient. My goodness. I love how you can get stuff done on Arbitrum. I'm just saying, these are all great ecosystem. But OP Stack gave us something foundational. And so Ethereum alignment has to be at an internet scale as we go forward. There's been a lot of conversation about Ethereum catching up with the times and the speed and, you know, being able to handle transactions faster. When you've got a layer one that's really where everything is being settled, and I'm trying to speak at not just a 30,000 foot dev level, I'm trying to bring this down to the vernacular. But when you've got an organization that really is that settlement layer, and then you want to put a layer two on top of it, and you want this to be where the transactions are, you need a partner or a platform that's going to allow you to go at a faster scale, as well as not just be a roll-up framework. It's got to become like a standard for interoperability, which is what we're talking about here. So I love that OP Stack, it sees sovereign chains. And so let me say this again, sovereignty is something I love. OP team is not saying you roll out your chain and all of a sudden we own it through you. You've got these self-sovereign chains, and you hear even on this conversation, you can go whatever direction you need to go, and whether or not you choose to be a part of the super chain, that's up to you as a team member or a leader. I love that mindset. And so you've got this interoperable opportunity, if you want it, with self-sovereign chains that inherit security, liquidity, and even dev tooling from the largest smart contract platform in the world, Ethereum. So my friends, it just made this magic place where it made sense. We chose OP Stack because it gives us Ethereum grade security and compatibility without sacrificing that sovereignty. And that is just, I'm just going to put it at the core. That's why we've got this execution layer, we've got governance, and we've got a roadmap. We know where we're going, and each sovereign chain has the same. Yet we inherit all of that security, all of that years of Ethereum Foundation building inside of being a part of this team and this project. So I could go on. I mean, I could brag on this forever. You can tell I've spent a lot of time in the dev space. I'm a dev, and I've spent time looking through the cracks. I could go into the EIP, 4844, and I can go into the next steps, but that's not necessary here. At the end of the day, you're talking about a dev's perspective as a leader or co-founder of an organization saying, this chain made sense for so many reasons, and those are the core ones.